Hello there, welcome to Standard Touch eSolutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit the job listings. So in order to add and edit the job listings, you just have to log into your WordPress. So in order to log into your WordPress, you have to go to the link alrehan.com/wp-admin. So when you enter, it will redirect you to this page. So here you have to enter the details of your WordPress like this. So after logging into your WordPress, you have to click on your job listings and add a new job listing here. Assume you have an opening for this, like you have an opening for senior software engineer with all the specifications, like you have an opening in India, Bangalore, and all the specifications are here. And you just have to go to your WordPress, enter the position name, that is the position name is here, you see it is senior software engineer. Just enter the position name here in this field, and then you have to enter the specifications of the job, like you have to enter the job duties and all. Just copy paste whatever the job information you have, copy and just paste it here. So you have to enter all the details of your job, like in which location your job opening is available. Assume you have an opening in Bangalore, like this, and then you have to enter the email address where the application should be sent, and this is the email address of alrehan.com. You can edit it like hr@alrehan.com and whatever, like, and you have to enter the company name where the opening is available. For assume you have an opening in whatever Alrehan, and you have to enter the company website here like alrehan.com. And next you have to provide some brief information about your company, like Alrehan is a manpower recruitment company or something, like it's recruitment and so here you have to enter your company information, like this Alrehan is a recruitment and visa processing service company. And if you have a Twitter logo ID, you can enter it here in order that the applicant can visit your Twitter page. So you can add a video of the company if you have a small information about that. And here you actually have to provide the expiry date of the job, like you want that job to be closed on that particular date. Assume you so if you want to provide an expiry date for the job opening, like you want the job to be closed after this particular date, you can even provide a date here so that it will not be displayed after that particular date. In some cases, a particular job opening may be very important or might be having a urgent requirement. So in that case, you can even tick mark this checkbox so that it will be sticky during the search. You can even add a logo to the company job listing, like by clicking on this particular set company logo option here. And if you want to provide a particular logo for that particular job opening, you can select any image here, set as company logo here, and then finally when everything is done, you have to check everything, and then you just have to click on the publish. So once you have clicked on the publish, your job has been actually posted on the website. You can check all your job listings here by clicking on the all jobs, and you can even check whether the job has posted on the website or not by visiting your website here. And one more thing here, actually before publishing your job, you need to select the region of your job, like you can select whether Bangalore, India, number of regions where it is available here. You can even add a new job region here, like by clicking on here, like for example opening is available in Chennai. You can even add it, and so it's done. You need to update the job opening here. You can even uncheck any of the regions here if you don't want to display any region, and it will be displayed as anywhere in the location. So after clicking on update, you can go to your website and check whether your job listing has been posted on your website or not. Just go to your alrehan.com website and click on jobs page here. So you can see the job listing here, what you have just now posted. It is a senior software engineer, Alrehan company and recruitment visa processing services like and the location is here, you see Bangalore, India, whatever. So if you click on this particular job listing, so it's gonna take you to the particular job opening page. Here you see an applicant can apply for a job from here by clicking on this apply for job button, and they can even fill their details and all. So this is how you can upload the job listing and edit the job listing and all. In order to edit the job listing, you just have to go to all jobs here, and then so in order to edit the job opening, you have to just go to your all jobs page here and click on this edit option available here. And you can make any of the changes you want to make, like if you want to add a new job region, you can even add. If you want to remove a job region, you can even remove. And if you want to change any of the application email ID, you can even edit anything you want. Okay, so after editing the job listing, you just have to click on update. It will get updated automatically. So that's all about how to add a job listing and edit a job listing. Thanks for watching the video.